society and economies are changing and there are new ways of organizing, new ways of working emerging. But still, we have the same old problems of inequalities, and I'm just very curious to see how these same problems sort of translate through these different and new forms of organizing. So we know a lot in DEI research about how diversity and inclusion are possibly and ideally working in traditional organizations, but if and how these ideas and practices can be transferred into new ways of organizing, that's the part that I feel is really intriguing here.
I came across a paper published by Lena and two other researchers, Boukje Cnossen and Renate Ortlieb, on diversity and inclusion in co-working spaces. So we do have kind of a shared reference point in language, but also our perspectives are different. So in that way, they complement each other really well.
What we're working on now with Lillan, I also see a bit as a continuation of this research. We look at one particular workspace that has the idea to transform the economy and society. And we look at how they actually operate and which organizational processes are shaping this organization. And I was also asked to bring in my DEI knowledge in this project because what Lillan and Boukje had already seen, there were some issues related to diversity and inclusion.
And I think this is a topic that is, of course, tremendously important in society. It has become even more important recently. That really motivates me to kind of contribute to this perspective of diversity, equity and inclusion being more represented at Leuphana. It is not something that is the focus of organizational research at Leuphana so far.
It is a new experience every time you change an institution or you visit an institution, but I must admit I never experienced a group that is so collectively interested in really developing and supporting each other. This is something I find very impressive and that I would also really wish to take with me.